What's up guys? All good? My name is Nora. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Edison Wave before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Edison Wave works. What is Edison Wave? Edison Wave is a digital downloadable audio engineered to stimulate alpha brainwave activity, linked to high-level cognitive functions, creativity, and relaxed focus. It's not a medical device and does not diagnose or treat conditions. Instead, it's a safe cognitive warm-up that complements healthy routines like proper sleep, hydration, and quiet focus time. How it works. Alpha brainwave activation encourages steady, calm brain rhythms associated with clarity and creativity. Gentle audio patterns help synchronize neural networks, reducing distractions and enhancing idea flow. Best results come with over-ear headphones and a consistent daily routine. Ideal for morning routines, midday resets, or whenever you need sharper focus. Benefits users report. Faster recall and better mental clarity. Improved focus and attention for deep work. Easier creative problem solving. Calm, productive mornings and steady afternoons. Simple, stimulant-free mental reset. How to use. Put on headphones. Play the 11-minute Edison Wave session. Focus on your high-priority tasks for the next 60-90 minutes. Repeat daily for best results. Where to buy and guarantee. Edison Wave is available only as a digital download on the official website for instant access. Comes with a 365-day 100% money-back guarantee, so you can test it risk-free. Buying from the official site ensures authenticity, full support, and refund protection,